welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and today's video is similar to my last video. With fall being here and with winter approaching, I think fall lippies are just a whole vibe right now. I was sent some beautiful lipsticks from RaeDiant Artistry. Earlier this week I did wear the red one, and this one is in the shade Seduction. I did put it on Instagram and you guys absolutely loved it. So if you're interested in really high quality liquid lipsticks, RaeDiant Artistry is a go-to. Especially this one, it goes with my sweater. You guys know I'm a pink and a reddish kind of girl, and this kind of marries the two, and I can literally change out the lip to any of these colors and my look won't be too mismatched or not working out. It does come out really nicely. If you are interested in seeing this look and learning a couple of tips and tricks along the way, go ahead and just keep watching. Looking for primer. I'm gonna use the ILMakiage Primer. It's so good. It's really expensive though. It's the only reason why I don't really recommend it so much. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation, the luminous one. I just went out recently on Halloween and I got so many compliments on this foundation. So if you're in the market for something luxurious, very luminous, and you have like dry skin, I already recommend this. I'm gonna have like a birthday photo shoot for my 30th birthday. I'm trying to like hold on to this hair until the end. The Real Techniques brushes just have been a vibe lately. This one has just really transform my makeup without having me like put so much on. This is the Real Techniques buffing brush, which is perfect to buff out foundations. You guys like my little fake fireplace vibe I got going on back there? Turn this off. I have like the alerts on for the election. I should probably turn them off because they give me so much anxiety every time. Take a little bit of this. This is my Deep Cinnamon Hydrating Concealer, e.l.f. Their concealers are wonderful. This is another Morphe brush. This is a Morphe M530 brush. I usually use it for bronzer. And then I'll take my beauty sponge to kind of dabble over that just a bit, just to make sure everything is blended. This is when I'll kind of blend out that concealer here. I think I want to put a little bit of it on my eyes today, just a little, because I feel like I do want to add a little bit of contouring to my lids. Which is a nice trick to use if you're wanting to, you know, bring a little bit of color to the face. Just make sure you really blend that out. Hold on, y'all, I can't see, so I gotta use my mirror. So I'm just using my translucent powder to kind of get myself together. All right, and if you guys watched my last video, you know that bronzer is like a huge part of my makeup routine right now. So I'm gonna go back into my Fenty bronzer and use that in my crease as well, just to kind of set that brown concealer that I did place in my lid. See that? And it automatically gives you a really nice transitional shade. Bringing it down the nose a bit. And this is like really quick. It does not take that much effort. Now you can either stop at this step, dust the face, and keep it moving, but I do want to add a little bit more brownness. So I'm picking up a palette that I haven't used in such a long time, which is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian palette. But it has like two of the darkest shades of brown in here that I really like in my lid. And I like this one because it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. Not too much though. But I feel like whenever you do a look like this, it looks really nice with a solid lip color, like a red or a pink, especially like for the holiday season. I'm using the NYX liner, the NYX NYX liner in matte black. I'm just adding a very small line. Okay. I'm gonna let this dry down, add some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Gents, and the lashes are on. The lashes are by RaeDiant Artistry, so thank you so much for sending me these. They're very wispy, and I wore them in my last video, so I felt like, you know what? it's appropriate that I wear them in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm going to take my liner, which is my lip liner, and I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. And mind you, I haven't dusted off my face just yet. Let me know of some brown liners that you guys really like to use on your eyes or your lips. I'm really interested in trying something new. I'm going to go back into this Juvia's palette, Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to, you know, go into those browns and use that to kind of set that liner in place so it doesn't like slip and slide all over my face and eventually be gone by the end of the day. But I just have to have a lower lash line color. It just helps the look. And get you a mirror that you can use up close so you can really see what you're doing and get up in there. Now we're going to use this powder. This is my Charlotte Tilbury powder, the Flawless Finish airbrush powder, and I love this so much, and I like to use this all over to kind of dust away any fallout, to get any translucent powder away. And this is a big Real Techniques 201 brush, which I kind of like to use for all over the face. I like to kind of put it on top of my brows, you know, to kind of set those in place as well. Oh, but I love this powder so much. So I'm going to go back in with my Fenty powder. Favorite blush at the moment, I'm just really into orangey kind of blushes. This is Exhibit A by NARS. Very pigmented blush. Favorite highlighter, you guys already know, is by Stylish Glam Cosmetics. So I'm going to use a little bit of liner. This is by NARS. It's their high pigment black liner. Just going to use a little bit. So I'm going to try a new lip. This is by RaeDiant Artistry. They did send me a red one that I did try on in the shade Seduction, which was absolutely beautiful. So I did want to go ahead and try this one. Let's apply my lips in layers. This one is called On Chill. Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can. It already kind of brings the look together. I'm loving it. So this is pretty. And this is On Chill, ladies and gents. I want to add like a more of a pinky tone to the lips. So I'm going to take Relentlessly Red by MAC. Haven't used this baby in a while. I'm only going to put a little bit of it in the center. Just a little. You probably can't even see it. This is my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Oh my god, y'all. Look what I did in the middle of my face. I just hate when things go wrong in a tutorial. Like, you're supposed to like let this dry, but I just cannot do it. That was the Morphe Continuous Spray, and you kind of have to let that dry. I love that spray, like really sets the makeup really pretty. All right, y'all. And this is pretty much the finished look. I love the lip color, so make sure you do shop RaeDiant Artistry. I did put a link in the description box below for you to purchase directly from them because it's really pretty. Hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I know it was a little bit similar to my last look, but I did want to show you guys how you can kind of switch it up using some different lips. So these two, very beautiful, by RaeDiant Artistry in Seduction and On Chill. These are my two faves. I do have a few more that I do want to try, but I'll let you guys in on those a little bit later. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. With the election going on and with so many other things just plaguing 2020, I'm just excited to still be here with you guys popping out content. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah.